Welcome everyone. In order to reset the S23 Ultra to factory settings, the first step is we're going to open up the settings app. From here, we're going to find where it says About Phone. And then we're going to scroll all the way down until we see the reset button here. Then you're going to see the factory data reset. We're going to tap on this one. And we're going to see the reset button. When you tap on the reset button, your Galaxy S23 Ultra will be reset to the factory settings. If for some reason the touchscreen isn't working, search up how to reset Samsung Galaxy S23 if forgot password, and you'll find my video where you use the buttons only to do the factory reset. And with that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description on how to do so. Bye bye.